for you. Let's see the second try for number 7, Carl Yu. And they get 1 out of 2. Ang karito lang kating dalito.
Ito na lang.
To 7 point. Cabales. With the left hand rebound. Back to Samson. Back to Cabales. Cabales no look pass. But ball deflected by Santos. Santos to you. You gathering by the 2-mate. You the playmaker making his move. Showing the talent. Drops the ball. To number 15. Nabi. To number 77 Cruz. To number 24 Jimenez. And away. May kasama bang foul? Foul has been called on number 14. Reyes. Usman number 14 Reyes. Second personal foul, penalty.
7-12 lang yung score. Pag na yan, shoot yan, 8-12. Pag na
shoot,
7-12 lang.
7-12. Number 14.
Patay! Lamulaga sa ilalim.
You bring it down the ball slowly. The playmaker looking setting to Cruz. Cruz, drop on number Jimenez on the post. Jimenez kicks on the ball to you. You on the post. 10 seconds on the shot clock for you. Carl Yu, no look pass to number 77 Cruz pitch. Tapas the ball to number 22 Santos. Off the glass, correct score 2 for Santos. Antonio Ordonez to number 2 Samson. What a move, what a pass, what a finish coming from Santos. Carl Yu.
Oh! Palitan na sila yung score.
Big girl.
Tiraw lang. Oh.
Takes the pass for Ordonez. Point shot. Who's calling? Number 13 Antonio. Antonio committed. Penalty. Substitution then for the ball. Substitution. Antonio committed second personal foul penalty. Substitution. Okay, para in. Carl Yu is shooting for 2 at the free throw line. Let's see the first try. First try is for Carl Yu. Let's see the second try for Carl Yu. And he get 1 out of 2 at the free throw line. Cut down to 7 points.
Kahit di naman magpatay ng jersey, bili na lang doon sa ano.
Ordonez. Looking at setting, drops the ball to Cabales. Cabales kicks on the ball to Samson. Samson, right over 3. It's an over the back of Samson. Just looking for a turnover. Carl Yu, even about to close back the ball to Carl Yu. Carl Yu at the middle. Looking at setting, back the ball to close. At the right side, making his move. He's a cover, he's good. Court loose.
Basket. Shooter pala yun.
Samson.
Buk yung buta, Samson.
For the 3. No good bata mo the rebound. Ball goes to number 1. Number 25, Nabi. Nabi to Carl Yu play but ball. Is on Samson. Cabales. What time is? Cabales. On the left, on the ball, substitution. Carl Yu, bring it down the ball slowly. Carl Yu, easily control with the right-handed dribbling. Carl Yu drops the ball to number 22 Santos.
Kitang-kita na sa Eric, pasok.
2, 3
point Santos sa'yo, no?
2-point lead. Ordonez to Manubay. To Antonio at the high post. To the cutting Ibarra. The goal is stolen by Cruz. Cruz gathering by the 3-mate. Cruz still trap. Cruz recovering. Tawag again. Ano ba na rebound? At the ball.
Foul na.
Foul na good. Loose ball foul. Being called. On Ordonez committed. Penalty rebound. Ordonez ilan? Sala. First personal foul for Ordonez penalty.
Dalawa lang kalabangan, 17-19.
2 minutes and 52 seconds.
Pag na-perfect yan, all 19 na.
Remaining to end the first quarter. Santos, first try is a miss. Let's see the second try for Santos. No good again. Rebound by number 12, Ordonez. Ordonez picks a pass. Ordonez drops to Antonio. To the